Alright, so as you guys know, FIFA World Cup fever is going on, and you guys probably have seen these kind of videos all over the internet, right?
Leo, did you see how perfectly we betrayed everyone today? Egypt was completely winning, and still we made you take the victory. I know, that was crazy. They really thought they had us.
Like, the funny interaction between Messi and Ronaldo, maybe Neymar or Haaland. And so many people are gaining like millions of views with the help of these videos, like on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, today in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method you can create these kind of videos without using any complex AI tools. So this would be the easiest method you can create these kind of videos. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So first of all, for creating these kind of videos, the most important thing is you'll be needing a prompt. So for that, for you guys, I have basically rated a master prompt for you, which basically contains everything, right? So with the help of this master prompt, you'll be able to generate like, that 20 to 30-second kind of a video. It could be like interaction between Messi and Ronaldo. Everything would be well defined in this master prompt. So yeah, I'm going to provide the link down in the description of that so that you can start very easily without going here and there. So yeah, this master prompt is going to help you guys a lot with your these kind of videos. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this whole master prompt, and after that, what you need to do is you need to go inside of Grok AI, not Chat GPT. Okay, so this whole process will be doing inside of Grok AI, because what's the reason? I'm going to show it to you guys. So let's just say if I go ahead and create any of these prompts or image prompts or video prompts inside of ChatGPT, so straight away it's going to go ahead and give me this message like, I can't help write any or amplify defamatory or any explicit, fiction scenes about identifiable real people. So ChatGPT doesn't create anything for you for real characters like Messi and Ronaldo. So in order to break that thing, we'll be using Grok AI. So first of all, what I did is I simply go ahead and simply copy paste my whole master prompt inside of Grok AI, and then Grok AI basically, understood and is basically ready to go, ready to work on the video without giving me any of that message like, it cannot work on the real people or that stuff. So Grok AI is a really good LLM in that case. Okay, so then after that, what I need to do is I'm gonna go ahead and provide any story of my choice. Like, if you want to go ahead and get any story, so you can easily go ahead and go to, let's just say I'm gonna search over here FIFA World Cup 2026 like that, and over here you can go to news section, and you'll see plenty of the blogs right over here, like the stories that's happening, and what are the news, and you can basically pick any blog story from here, or you can create any story. So let's just say if I want to go ahead and create something about Messi and Infantino, which is FIFA president, and I'm gonna go ahead and portray some kind of a funny scene, like they are involved in everything, they are playing the audience or that. So we can go ahead and create something like this. So similar story, I went ahead and provided to Grok AI. So I said it could be like kind of a relationship between Messi and Infantino, FIFA president, and it would be like I can do anything for you, darling, because Messi is let's just say FIFA princess. So this kind of thing I portrayed to Grok AI, and then basically Grok AI identified my story. And now we have two main characters. One is Lionel Messi. The second one is Gianni Infantino, FIFA president. And then we have all the scene breakdowns over here one by one. So it's a really simple thing. First of all, you just have to input your master prompt that I'm going to provide you. Then you have to provide your rough story. You can pick that from the blog, or you can have it on your own. Just simply provide the rough story. You don't have to be organized or anything, and then that's all you have to do. Grok AI is going to go ahead and provide you the scene breakdown, and then after that you're simply going to go ahead and write image prompts. Then it's going to provide you the image prompts, and then after that you're simply going to go ahead and provide video prompts, and then it's going to go ahead and provide you the video prompts that you can input inside of Grok AI one by one. Okay, all right, so first of all, once our image prompts are ready, so we're going to go ahead and start by creating images. So for that, I'll be using Grok AI once again, because again, we won't be having any problems recreating the real characters, the real football players, okay? So as you guys can see, we have created plenty of the videos over here. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start by creating my first image. I'm going to simply type it right over here. Make sure you select image, and then you're going to go ahead and select quality over speed. Make sure your aspect ratio is 9 by 16 vertical, and image count, I'm gonna do it as 4, and let's just go ahead and create that. All right, so for that, it's gonna go ahead and provide me image of something like that, which looks really, really good, right? So Messi is sitting inside of a VIP room. We have Infantino over here, and they both are laughing. So yeah, that looks really, really good. And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and create images for all the rest of my scenes. So like this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, fifth, and sixth, just like that. Okay, so now we can simply go ahead and download these images, and then we can basically convert these images into videos. Okay, so once all of my images are downloaded, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and convert these images into videos, like I said. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to inside of Grok AI once again, click on the video section, and then make sure you select the resolution. You can choose 480p. I'm going to choose 720p. Duration would be 10 seconds, and then aspect ratio 9 by 16 again. And then similarly, gonna go ahead and start just converting the images into videos. I'm gonna simply drag and drop my first image right over here, and then the video prompts that we created just a few moments ago inside of Grok AI, I'm gonna go ahead and do for the scene one, copy paste the whole prompt till here, right over here, and then simply click on submit. All right, and for that, it's gonna go ahead and provide me with something like this. Like, take a look at this, you guys.
Leo, did you see how perfectly we betrayed everyone today? Egypt was completely winning, and still we made you take the victory. I know, that was crazy. They really thought they had us.
So yeah, that was our first video. It looks absolutely fantastic. And then similarly, we have the second one like this. Like, take a look at this.
Remember the goal they scored? We just canceled it. Everything was planned for you. Yeah.
Like, take a look at this one now.
Remember the goal they scored? We just canceled it. Everything was planned for you. Yeah. The referees did exactly what we told them.
So yeah, that looks really, really good as well. And similarly, we're gonna go ahead and create for every single scene right over here, just like that. All right, so once all of the videos are downloaded, so the next thing is we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and simply combine all of the clips together to create one video. So in total we have 6 scenes, so we're gonna combine all of them to create one proper video. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and simply drag and drop all of my clips right over here. You can use any video editor of your choice, it's really up to you. And then I'm gonna go ahead and simply drag all of my clips right over here one by one, just like that. All right, so once everything is done, I'm simply gonna go ahead and export this video, and let me show you the final output to you guys.
Leo, did you see how perfectly we betrayed everyone today? Egypt was completely winning, and still we made you take the victory. I know, that was crazy. They really thought they had us. Remember the goal they scored? We just canceled it. Everything was planned for you. Yeah. The referees did exactly what we told them. You really take care of me so well. Without you, I would never win anything. Anything for you, darling. I can do anything for you. All the referees are mine. Even if you kick someone to the ground, they will never give a card. When Egypt was 2-0 up, I thought maybe this time we can't save it. But you already had everything under control. Of course I did. I promised you another World Cup. We will keep fooling the whole world together. Next match will be the same. I will protect you again, darling. I know you will. Thank you for always being mine.
All right, and this was another video that I created with similar method, just by changing the story. So take a look at this as well.
So this is it, my last World Cup.
Mine too, bro. I still can't believe it's over.
Yeah, we're gonna miss this feeling. The noise, the pressure, everything.
This was supposed to be our last dance. Feels strange not being out there anymore. The game won't be the same without us.
Leo, you made it further. Now it's your turn. Come on, Leo. This one is yours now. Not just for you, for every kid who grew up watching us. Go earn it.
This was supposed to be our last dance. Now go finish it for all of us. Bring it home for the football fans.
All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method you can create these kind of, like FIFA World Cup videos between Messi and Ronaldo or any player of your choice very, very easily, without using any complex AI tools. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.